Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Basic Tutorials Special and Visual Effects. Today we're going to learn how to create a portal in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's get started. So I'll just import my video footage. And I shall make it fit the window. There we go, and I'll add my play animation first to start off with. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to duplicate this video and I'll go into the playback tab under trim, under video tools, and I'll click trim video, and I shall just select a portion of the video with the background alone. So that's this. I have the background, I have nothing else, and I'll just set this aside and I'll go on this video and I'll just cut out any unwanted parts. So I don't want all of this. I shall just trim. Here we go. And I don't want all of this either, so I'll just leave this about here. And this is the footage that we have. Oops. Right, so now I'm going to line this on top and I will send this video to back. There we go. Now let's animate. First things first, I shall set the animations with previous, and on the first video, which is this one, I shall add a fade out animation, and I shall just look for that part where I enter the portal, which would be about here, about 3.09, and that is where I shall enter that 3.09 for my fade out animation, and this one will play with previous as well. So let's see. There we go. Now what I shall do, I shall duplicate the video again, make sure it's lined up, and I'll trim the video again to that point where I enter the portal, which would be about here, and I'll click OK. And what I'll do, I shall go into format tab, into corrections first, under the format tab under video tools. I'll click on video corrections options, and I'll turn the brightness all the way up as possible. I'll turn it about 95. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to crop our video to the region where I want to use as the portal, and I'll just select video shape and an oval. So we have our portal, and this video I shall add 3 animations here. I shall add a fade in animation, and then it shall play, and then it shall fade out. So I have my 3 animations here. So I shall let this play with previous, and I'll let the last animation kind of fade out at the end, and let's see how it works. It's pretty cool. So let's just customize our portal a little bit. So I'll just go into video effects under the format tab, and I'll click on soft edges, and I'll just add a little bit of glow to it to make it a little more fancy. Let me just go into the let me just go into the glow options and just change the size a little bit. There we go. This will kind of customize it a little bit, and let's play. And there we have it. It's a really cool effect. I hope that this tutorial helped you, that you enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, like our videos, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and check out our other videos. And I hope to see you guys in the future. Thank you so much for watching.